Good morning, everyone. So I am just on my porch right now getting ready for the day, and I'm doing my makeup really quick. I have about 10 minutes until I have to start work, and excuse the noise if you can hear like a lot of cars going by or people. It's just very busy. I did want to show you guys the products that Merit Beauty recently sent me. They sent me their full makeup line and I've been trying it out. It's very minimal. The packaging is really cute. It says less is more, which is my motto. So I feel like their brand fit me really well. And I had been wanting to try out their products. So when they reached out to me, I was so excited. And I wanted to show you guys their products. So I will link all of these down below. Yeah, I'm going to show you really quick how I have been using these products in my quick 5-minute makeup routine. So all I have on my face right now is some foundation and a little bit of lip liner. And the first product I want to show you guys from Merit Beauty is the Perfecting Complexion Stick. So how I like to use this is just to apply a little bit on the inner corner of my eyes, because obviously I already have foundation on, so my complexion looks pretty even, but my under eyes tend to get a little bit dark. So in this I got the shade Cream. I did have to select the shades online, but I tend to know kind of what fits my complexion, so this one works really well, I find, for my under eyes. And then they also sent over their brush that goes with this, so I like to just slowly blend that out. And it does a really good job of just kind of hiding and covering up those purple hues that I do have in the inner corner of my eye. So the next product that I picked out is the cheek color in Terracotta. Again, the packaging is just so beautiful. It just spins off, and I go like this with my ring finger, grab a little bit like this. And then I just kind of put it on the apples of my cheek like you would a powder blush. And I just blend it out. And I like to go up towards my temples just to give me more color. And I've been loving blush lately, and this one just blends out so nice because it's a cream blush. And it's so lightweight. I've tried a few other cream blushes and this one's just really nice, and I absolutely love the color. It just gives you a little bit more of a youthful glow, and I love it. So this next product is their highlighting balm, and I got it in the shade Kava, and it's absolutely beautiful. And I also like to just put this on my finger and blend where you know you would normally have a nice highlight. This one just blends in so well and gives such a nice glow. It's not overwhelming. It looks really natural. And it's just so beautiful. I also like to put this in the inner corner of my eyes just to kind of brighten my eyes up a little bit. And then above my lip a little. It's just such a nice highlighter. So the next one is their Eyebrow Volumizing Pomade, and I got it in the shade Blonde, and it matches my eyebrows so well. I don't have anything on my eyebrows right now. I've been really liking a more natural eyebrow recently, and this just blends in like a dream. And then if I need any extra, coverage, or I feel like there's more sparse areas, I like to go in with an eyebrow pencil, or like the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I really like that one. So I just put a little bit of that in my brows. So I've already curled my lashes, and I'm gonna go in with their Perfect Black Lengthening Mascara. This brush on this mascara is so nice. It does not clump. It just gives the most natural, pretty length to your lashes. And I don't have lash extensions or anything like that. This is just my lashes with a little bit of mascara. It just gives my eyes a little bit more of an awake look, which I'm loving. And the last item is their Tinted Lip Oil, and this is a new shade for autumn. I absolutely love it. I've tried it with a few different lip liners, and I just kind of have on a light pinky nude lip liner right now. This is in the shade Taupe, and it's so smooth. It goes on so nice, and it feels so lightweight. And it's the perfect nude color. Armani would like to join us in the morning routine, wouldn't you? Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am going to finish getting ready for work and show you guys what I'm wearing today. Again, I will link all of the products down below. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Bye. Lunch break, and I wanted to show you guys how cute this sweater and top is that I found for Coco at Petco the other day. They're so adorable. I thought this one would be really nice to actually keep her warm, because once it does get chilly out, you know, she's only 5 pounds, so this will keep her nice and cozy, and it's so cute. The quality is really, really nice. And if any of you have small dogs or a Maltese, you know, they do get cold as the weather starts to get colder as well. So I thought this one was so cute, and she doesn't have a sweater that actually has like a turtleneck. It just looks so stylish. So stylish and effective. And then I also found this little top for her. I thought it was so cute. It's just a really pretty fall color, I thought too. It's more of a short sleeve, so it's perfect for fall. And it's like this waffle cotton material. So I'll link these both below.